Hey YouTube, thanks for having a look at this video. I'm making a couple of VTR velocity stacks. So what's happening here is I've pre-drilled the stock on the lathe just to make things a little bit easier. And starting off the boring operation. Got a pretty small tool in there so to get in the hole, so I have to slow down the speed to pursuit. But other than that, it could have gone up with a much faster speed. Set the CNC mill up as a mill turn, using gain tooling to keep us moving along. Part of the challenge with this setup is making sure that it's all clear and all the chips come out of there, so keeping a close eye on things. Here we start to profile the outside, and there's a bit on the bell mount, there's a full radius that actually comes down to the outside. Just coming around and finishing off that curve. Now we start doing the first front section to the first flange. I had a bit of a play around with speeds and feeds, and obviously we're changing diameters. The CNC doesn't actually have a constant speed function, constant cutting speed function, so I needed to adjust the speeds as I went, and you'll see the chip forming was slightly different. That's off the tool finish. Now we move on to the back section. The previous section was actually cut with a radius tip, so full radius tip. This one here is square edge. This was mainly done based on the profile that I was chasing, where the flange will actually made up with the carbon system. What we have here is actually after I've polished it in situ, just with some wet and dry and a little bit of purple polish from California Custom. As you can see, mirror image finish on that. And our simple path catcher did the trick. And we result with them multiplying. So thanks for watching. Hope you've enjoyed a little bit of an insight to how to do something a little bit differently. Drop me some comments. Cheers guys.